an account here, and I want to show you a way to do Google Meet breakout rooms. I found this website, claycodes.org, the other day, and he has a really awesome tutorial that kind of walks through an idea on how to do breakout rooms in Google Meets. So I just want to walk you through kind of what he explains and the way it works. Now, basically what he talks about is having a Google Doc. Now, inside that Google Doc, you would kind of set up your breakout rooms. So you can see I have 5 breakout rooms here, and I listed what students I want to go into what room. Now, the main point of his tutorial is talking about using this link. All right, so I can see I have a https://meet.google.com/lookup/. So basically what you're doing is you're creating nicknamed meets. So one thing this does mean is that it only works within your own domain, right? But it's a really kind of cool way of doing it. So what I could do is have that link there, and then I just need to type some random letters. Doesn't matter what it is. I'll go all the way down my doc here, type some random things, because these random letters will create the nickname when you automatically go to the link. So I highlight the text here, click my link buttons, and you can see what this is doing is creating the link. Now what I would have to do is take this Google Doc and then share it with my students. One way I can do that is I can hit share. I can say get the link here. Otherwise, you could share this in Google Classroom, whichever way you want. If I get the link, I could then share this in the chat of Google Meet or post it in my Google Classroom, whichever way works best for you. Now, before you have students enter in these breakout rooms, what you have to do is click each of the different ones and make sure you join the meeting. That starts the meet so that the student can get in. Now, the other thing you'll want to do is you'll want to mute each of the different tabs, because otherwise you're going to hear all the breakout rooms at the same time. Now, the problem is, if I right-click it, it used to be able to come up here and say mute tab. But if you notice now, it says mute site. And what that means is if I mute this, it mutes all my Google Meet tabs. So I can't unmute one by one. But the claycodes.org website found a kind of little workaround, and he actually found this handy extension called Mute Tab. And what Mute Tab does is it allows you to still do that. So what I would do is I would go to my Google Meet, and the extension kind of looks like this. It looks like a little microphone with an X. If I click it, I've now muted that tab. So I would do this for each of my different Google Meet tabs. So this is a real handy way to do a breakout room in a little different fashion, but it works. Now, if a student joins the wrong breakout room, all you would have to do is come up to the participants, just boot that student, and tell them to join the other one. Or you could invite them to the correct one. So this is a really easy way to do Google Meet breakout rooms that gives you a lot of kind of functionality and control. Just don't forget that mute. I'll put the links for all these different things, like the claycodes.org website and the Mute Tab extension, in the comment section or in the info section of this video. I hope you find this useful and that you have a great day.